Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. Get ready to dive into the world of advanced vehicle diagnostics as we unveil the groundbreaking launch X431 Diagun V. We're about to explore the features and benefits that make this tool a must-have for anyone who loves working on cars. Let's get started. Overview of Launch X431 Diagun V. First things first, what exactly is the Launch X431 Diagun V? In a nutshell, it's a state-of-the-art vehicle diagnostic tool designed to empower mechanics, technicians, and even car owners with the ability to accurately diagnose, troubleshoot, and maintain vehicles of all makes and models. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the standout features that make the Diagun V a game-changer in the world of automotive diagnostics. Gone are the days of dealing with tangled cords. The Diagun V boasts seamless wireless connectivity, allowing you to connect to your vehicle's OBD-I port without any hassle. Whether you're dealing with domestic or international vehicles, the Diagun V offers extensive vehicle coverage, ensuring you're well equipped to tackle any diagnostic challenge. This tool is equipped with an AI-based system that can quickly identify and analyze vehicle issues. It's like having a virtual mechanic by your side. With the Diagun V, you'll have the power to perform comprehensive full-system diagnostics, including reading and clearing trouble codes, viewing live data streams, and more. User-friendly interface. One of the things that truly sets the Diagun V apart is its user-friendly interface. Let's take a look at how easy it is to navigate and use. Touchscreen display. The Diagun V features a high-resolution touchscreen display that's intuitive and responsive, making navigation a breeze. Guided functions. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a newbie, the Diagun V offers guided functions that walk you through diagnostic procedures step by step, ensuring accuracy. Real-time data. Monitor live data streams in real time, giving you instant insights into your vehicle's performance and helping you pinpoint issues efficiently. Cloud-based updates and sharing. Staying up to date with the latest diagnostic information is crucial. The Diagun V makes it easier than ever with its cloud-based capabilities. Here are some pros and cons. The Launch X431 Diagun V Diagnostic Tool. Pros: full system diagnostics, user-friendly interface, cloud-based updates, intelligent diagnosis, data sharing. Cons: limited offline functionality, limited mechanical repairs, dependence on updates. Overall, the Launch X431 Diagun V is a groundbreaking diagnostic tool that combines cutting-edge technology, user-friendliness, and extensive capabilities. Whether you're a professional mechanic or an enthusiastic car owner, this tool is designed to empower you with the knowledge needed to keep vehicles running smoothly. Thanks for joining us today as we delved into the incredible world of the Launch X431 Diagun V. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on automotive tools, tips, and tricks. Until next time, keep those engines purring and those wheels turning.